Fear the Reaper.
What's up, y'all? I'm John Blackman.
Oh my God, it's really him.
Oh, what's up, John? I've heard you guys a couple times. You guys are great. You're like dynamite, man. Just
My pants on fire.
Dude, John, that means a lot coming from me, bro.
I'm just like all you guys. Put my pants on one leg at a time. Except when my pants are on, I make golden records. Alright, let's do this from the top, bro. Let's do it.
Alright, let's do this. Take one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut it! John, can you come out here for a minute, bro?
Whoa, what was wrong with that? That sounded great. I mean, what was wrong with that?
Are you sure it sounded good?
Yeah, I mean, Gene, we could use some more cowbell, man. We need some cowbell. Cowbell's great. You just gotta explore the whole studio, just explode into that thing, just beat the cowbell, man. Explode in. I mean, maybe we should do some more lights, too.
Yeah. Are you sure more cowbell?
Yeah, we need some cowbell, man.
Cowbell, gotcha. Alright, you're done.
Take two.
Here we go. Take 2.
More cowbell.
Ready? 1.
That was great. That was way better than the first one. You're ruining 2 of my records here. What's wrong?
Okay, well, I may speak for myself, but I feel like Gene's cowbell is messing up a great performance.
Yeah. I need some cowbell, man. What's going on?
So maybe I'll take a little bit off the cowbell.
Yeah.
I'll take too much off, man. I need some cowbell. Just you do take a wee bit off it. I need some cowbell.
Just a little bit. Alright.
Explode that cowbell.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, take 3. Take 3, let's go.
Are we ready? Yeah, let's go. Ready. Let's do this.
Alright, I'm ready.
What's going on, man? I need some cowbell. What's going on?
Don't ruin this boy's day! Why do you have to be so selfish, Gene? God!
What's happening?
Maybe I am being selfish, but the legendary John Blackman wants some cowbell. I'm gonna give him some cowbell. It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then I'll just leave.
Gene, wait! Don't leave! I thought about it, and I want you to stay here and lay down this track with us together.
It's for all of us.
I like this. I got a fever, man.
We need
And
you,
the only
cowbell.
prescription for this fever is some cowbell. I need some cowbell, man.
Amen.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Alright, come
Final
on.
time. Let's do it.
Let's make it great. Roll it.